Hey everyone, and in this video we've got this M340 in for the ultimate protection package. It's having 5 layers of Ceramic Pro 9H and full front end paint protection film with XPEL Ultimate Plus.
Right then, welcome back to the channel. As mentioned by Toby, we've got this brand new BMW M340D in for front end PPF as well as our level 2 protection package. As well as that, it's going to have an additional layer of 9H, so brings the total up to 5 layers. With this protection package, the customer will receive a lifetime warranty on the ceramic coatings as well as a 10-year warranty on the XPEL PPF. First up, as always, whilst the car's outside the studio, we need to give it a thorough clean just to make sure there's no contaminants on the vehicle before we bring it into the studio. It's very important to make sure that there's no contaminants on the vehicle before you apply the PPF, as this will show straight through the PPF, and if this happens, you will have to replace it. Now that the car's been fully decontaminated, we can pull it back inside the studio, get removing any badges that we need to, and then start applying the XPEL PPF. So with our front end PPF, the bonnet, bumper, wings and wing mirrors will all have XPEL Ultimate Plus applied. As mentioned, the customer will receive a 10-year warranty with this film. end of this BMW M340D touring. So now we're going to go ahead, start polishing the rest of the car, and then once that's done, we can go ahead and apply the Ceramic Pro coatings. Before we get on with the machine polishing, here's just a few of the imperfections that are on the car before we start. So with our multi-stage paint correction, we aim to remove as many of the imperfections as possible that are on the car. Here you can see Callum just going around with our Roops 5-inch polisher. So now that the machine polish is all done, we can go ahead and start unboxing the wheels that the customer has bought for the car. Once we've unboxed them all, we can then go ahead and apply the ceramic coatings. As you can see, these are stunning wheels and they should go really nicely on the car. The barrels of the wheels were coated, however it wasn't filmed on this occasion, so as you can see now, Callum's just going to go over the faces of the wheels with the spray gun. This ensures we can get as much coverage as possible on the wheels. The Ceramic Pro 9H was applied out of hours, so as you can see, here's just a quick time lapse of the 5 layers being applied to the rear of the car as well as the passenger side. With the Ceramic Pro 9H now cured overnight, we can go ahead and apply the M Performance side decals as requested by the customer. Once these have been applied, we can then go ahead and apply the top coat. With the top coat now applied, we need to leave that to cure for a while. So what we're going to do is apply the glass coatings. So Callum's going to go around the entire car now, apply the glass coating and then buff it off once done. So with the Ceramic Pro glass now applied, that's the protection package all done. We can go ahead and apply any badges that need to be applied, and then it's ready for the customer to collect. And we'll catch you in next week's video.